You found a contractor and he's giving you a price that's pretty good. How do you vet those guys? How do you find out if they really are that good? So the first thing I want to do is I want to talk to a couple of their past customers. I want to go see the work that they did. That's number one. Number two, I'm going to do a little bit of a background check. I'm going to check them out on social media. I'm going to see if they've, filed for bankruptcy, things like that. I do want to find out their financial background. I want to make sure that if I pay them to do something, that they're actually going to use that money to do what they said they were going to do. Number three, character. I want to make sure that this guy does what he says he's going to do. And that's another thing I'm going to talk to his previous clients about is he a man of his word, and do they actually get things done on time? That's one of the biggest problems you're going to have with contractors. Is not that they don't do quality work, it's that they don't show up all the time and the job drags on and it costs you way more money to do the rehab than you thought it was going to cost.